Bullish Star Atlas, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.011961 and $0.022594 by 2030. Market examiners accept Atlas could reach $0.009303 by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.002126. Star Atlas, presentation NFTs, the most current obsession with the web, are supposed to influence the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's monetary potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following flood of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the huge bereft of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain components with NFT situated in-game things and specific designs innovations. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, sort out, and battle their direction into neglected territory because of this astonishing creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation action. It highlights in-game resources in view of the idea of non-fungible monetary forms, NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their extraordinary resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain, specifically. The Star Atlas games universe is tremendous, and players should go out on bereft, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas interactivity in the game, players can make enormous urban communities and private companies or unite as one and make decentralized independent associations, DAO, to manage over specific regions. Players get virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of unified gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game articles. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. Star Atlas is right now worth $0.002658 United States dollars. Atlas has moved 1.90% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,828,852. Star Atlas is as of now position 1367 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $26,058,336 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Star Atlas, Value Forecast 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Atlas. The Atlas cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.003987. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.003721 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0.00319. Star Atlas, Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0.006645. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Atlas's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.005316 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.005848. Star Atlas, value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.009303 and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.008506 and a low of $0.007974 in 2025. Star Atlas, value expectation 2026. Assuming that Star Atlas effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.011961 with a base cost of $0.010632 and a typical cost of $0.011164. Star Atlas, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.013822 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.013291 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Atlas has a greatest value worth of $0.014662. Star Atlas, value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.01648. In the event that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.017278. Neglecting to assemble the help Atlas needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.015949. Star Atlas, value forecast 2029. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.018607 and a yearly cost close above $0.019936 in 2029. Star Atlas, value forecast 2030. By 2030, Star Atlas will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.021265 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.022594, averaging out at $0.021796. Star Atlas, value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Bitcoin Wisdom makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy, but